Hey, what's up, Pundi X holders? So this is the latest update of Pundi X. So what's going on and exactly what the prediction in upcoming times there is a chance to Pundi X is moving upward or not. Let's check out, my friends, first of all the update, and after that we predict this coin, my brother. But kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. Press the bell icon for latest updates and videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. So this time, if you can see here, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and Pundi X is also, my friend, you can see here this time the chain occur will be positive, so it's mean to Pundi X is back now and they completely go in the moon. Congratulations. This is not a motivational speech, my brother. Some holders tell me to you are motivated. Yes, absolutely, my brother, I also motivated, but remember, this is not a financial video. Yes, absolutely, this is not a financial video. I just give you advice, my brother. You have 7.13% just only in the last 1 hour. Pundix is one of the fastest coin, my brother, but this time you can see the price is very fastly fails down. 1.81 USD dollar fails down. So you can see it from 9 USD dollar to 1.8. So that change, my friend. But let's see. I hope, my friend, in upcoming times Pundi X is also starting moving upward. So just you need to hold. Absolutely, if starting investing, if people starting investing in Pundi X, and if they hold, then exactly they will go in the moon, my brother. So kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, Pundi X holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please in upcoming times they're moving upward, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe channel.